Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In previous lecture we have solved problem number 5 and problem number 6 of chapter 10. Today we are going to solve the last problem of this chapter, which is problem 7. In problem 7 we are given that a station broadcasts an AM radio wave whose frequency is 1230 multiply 10 power 3 hertz and an FM radio wave whose frequency is 91.9 multiply 10 power 6 hertz. Find the distance between adjacent crusts in each wave. In this problem, we are given that a radio station broadcasts two types of waves. One is the amplitude modulated wave and the other is frequency modulated wave. In frequency modulated wave, the frequency is greater while its wavelength will be smaller, and in amplitude modulated wave, its amplitude will be of high value while its frequency will be of low value, because frequency and wavelength according to universal wave equation are inversely related to each other. But in this wave we are not given the speed, which is the basic value for using universal wave equation. So these radio waves, we have to keep in mind that these radio waves travel with speed of light in air, and its value is constant, which is 3 multiply 10 power 8 meter per second. So we will use speed of light as wave speed for these radio waves. So in given data I will write in given data there are two types of frequencies. So one frequency is for FM radio while the other is for AM radio wave. So I will write first frequency for AM. Frequency for AM radio wave. Which will be equal to frequency F, and for AM I will write in subscript form as AM, which is given as 1230 multiply 10 power 3 hertz, and frequency for FM radio wave FM radio wave, which will be represented by F with FM and subscript, and its value is 91.9 multiply 10 power 6 hertz. So I will write now the speed of radio wave. Speed of radio wave, which is not given in the given statement, but we will have to keep in mind that the radio waves travel with speed of light. So it will be equal to speed of light in air, which is represented by capital C, and its value is 3 multiply 10 power 8 meter per second. Now in required data, we are going to find the adjacent distance between crusts, means the wavelength. Wavelength for both FM radio wave and AM radio wave. So I will first write it as part A. Part A will be the wavelength. Wavelength for AM radio wave, which will be written as lambda with subscript AM with a sign of interrogation, and B part is wavelength for FM radio wave. I will represent it by lambda with a subscript FM. So by using universal wave equation, so here I will write solution plus formula. So I will use universal wave equation for the solution of these two parts. So using universal wave equation, which is V is equal to F lambda. But here we are going to find the values for lambda, so I will eliminate frequency by dividing both sides of this equation by F. So dividing both sides by F. So I will write V divided by F equal to F lambda divided by F. So F will cancel with F and the value for lambda will become as V by F. So in first part A, I will have to find wavelength for AM radio station, so radio wave. So I will write it with a subscript AM and it will become as V divided by frequency of AM radio wave. So putting the values, I will write lambda AM equal to V, value of C. I will replace V by value of C. So putting as C is equal to, here I will write as V equal to C. So value of C can be written as 3 multiply 10 power 8, while the value for frequency AM is given as 1230 multiply 10 power 3. So I will write it as 3 multiply 10 power 8 divided by this number. I will have to convert this number into scientific form. So the decimal point is here. I will displace this decimal point to between 1 and 2. So it will become as 1.230 multiply 10 power. The number of digits that we have displaced the decimal point is 1, 2, 3. So this will become 3 and this one will be written on its own place. So lambda AM will become as 3 multiply 10 power 8 divided by 1.230 multiply, as bases are the same, so its exponents will be added, 3 plus 3. So now lambda AM will become as 3 multiply 10 power 8 divided by 1.230 multiply 10 power 6. So dividing 3 by 1.23, so its value will become 2.439. 2.439 multiply 10 power 8 and shifting this 10 power 6 to upward, so its value will come as 10 power minus 6. Its exponent will become negative. So lambda AM will be equal to 2.439 multiply, as bases are here also same, so I will add their exponents as 8 plus minus 6. So lambda AM will become as 2.439 multiply 10 power 8 minus 6. So it will give me answer as 2.439 multiply 10 power 2. So I can also write it as, by rounding up this number to 3 significant figures, as here it is 4 significant figures. Examining the last digit, which is greater than 5, I will drop it and add 1 to this number. So in 3 decimal point numbers, its answer will be 2.44 multiply 10 power 2. But 10 power 2 is equal to 100. It means that 10 multiply 10 equal to 100. So 2.44 multiply 100, multiplying these values. So the answer will be 244 meter. So this is the wavelength for the amplitude modulated radio wave, which is 244 meter.